Do you understand English but freeze when it's time to speak? You know the words, you know the grammar, but your mouth just won't cooperate. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful technique to fix that. That is shadowing. Shadowing means you repeat what I say immediately like an echo. No pausing, no translating. You just copy my pronunciation, rhythm, and emotion. As you have clicked this video, watch it till the end because the sentences that we are going to practice today are the ones that we use in our daily life conversation. Before moving ahead, I would like you all to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss such video lessons. Ready? Speak out loud even though you are not confident. Let's start. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? What time do you get up? How long have you been living here? Say along with me. How long have you been living here? How long have you been living here? When were you born? Repeat. When were you born? When were you born? What time is it now? What time is it now? What time is it now? How far is your room? Say along with me. How far is your room? How far is your room? Whom do you live with? Repeat. Whom do you live with? Whom do you live with? How many members are there in your family? Say along with me. How many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family? How long have you known each other? Repeat. How long have you known each other? How long have you known each other? How long have you been sick? Repeat. How long have you been sick? How long have you been sick? How are things with you? Repeat. How are things with you? How are things with you? How did you like the film? Repeat. How did you like the film? How did you like the film? How often do you take a bath? Repeat. How often do you take a bath? How often do you take a bath? What type of food do you like? Repeat. What type of food do you like? What type of food do you like? Why don't you work hard? Repeat. Why don't you work hard? Why don't you work hard? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Where were you? Repeat. Where were you? Where were you? What were you doing? Repeat. What were you doing? What were you doing? Why didn't you tell me about that? Repeat. Why didn't you tell me about that? Why didn't you tell me about that? What will you cook for dinner today? Repeat. What will you cook for dinner today? What will you cook for dinner today? Why are you so happy? Repeat. Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy? How long will it take? Repeat. How long will it take? How long will it take? Where should I keep this? Repeat. Where should I keep this? Where should I keep this? When did it happen? When did it happen? When did it happen? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? Whom did you see in the morning? Whom did you see in the morning? Whom did you see in the morning? How did you lose your phone? Repeat. How did you lose your phone? How did you lose your phone? Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Which one do you like? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? I feel like eating pizza for dinner. I feel like eating pizza for dinner. I feel like eating pizza for dinner. I spend my time playing games on the phone. I spend my time playing games on the phone. I spend my time playing games on the phone. I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling dizzy. I prefer momo to chow mein. I prefer momo to chow mein. I prefer momo to chow mein. We usually eat out on Fridays. Repeat. We usually eat out on Fridays. We usually eat out on Fridays. The weather is not fine nowadays. The weather is not fine nowadays. The weather is not fine nowadays. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. Suddenly, the light went out. Suddenly, the light went out. Suddenly, the light went out. I haven't eaten Chinese food yet. I haven't eaten Chinese food yet. I haven't eaten Chinese food yet. Great job. Comment below. I completed shadowing. If you want regular shadowing practice to improve your English speaking, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bells so you won't miss next lesson. Keep practicing, keep improving. I'll see you in the next lesson.